Hello everyone. Today I thought I'd talk about locating and installing the Derby database that we'll be using for our JDBC work. Now before Java 8 included Derby in its JDK build, and we can see that right here. The default location to install the JDK is the C drive program files Java. And you can see that I have the Java 8 JDK here, a couple of JREs, they don't count. We'll look into the JDK and we see a DB folder. And there are two files that we'll be interested in inside this database. The first is in the bin, which is the ij.bat as an executable. The other file we'll be interested in later on is in the lib folder, and it is derby.jar. So if you're running Java 8, you should be able to find these files pretty easily. If you're not running Java 8, if you're running Java 9 or later, you'll want to go to Google and Google Apache Derby download. It'll probably be the first hit. We'll go there and Derby downloads for Java 8 and higher. We'll click on that. The 10.14 should be just fine. And here we see the distributions. You will want to download this zip file, the 10.14.10 or something later, but bin.zip is the one you're going to want. So if you download that, and I have already done that, it's in my downloads folder just like that. We can extract that to here in the downloads folder. While that's running, you'll need some place to put the Derby database. And on my C drive, I just created a Derby folder. You can put it anywhere you want, just so you can find it later on. And if we go inside the Derby folder, I've already just copied in that folder that I am unzipping in my downloads folder. And if I go into there, I see a few more files than we did in the JDK, but in the bin is that ij.bat that we'll want later. In the lib folder, there's that derby.jar that we'll want later. So use the download and extract and put it somewhere where you can get at it process if you're using Java 9 or later. That's all for right now. Come back in a few minutes when you've done that, and we will talk about connecting Derby to your IDE. Talk to you later.